Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing great. My name is Gaurish. I'm back with some hot stocks to watch for today. So let's get started for today, guys. I just have two stocks to watch for today because I know the market will be going down today because as you can see the futures here, it is already down by some percentage. The DJIA and Nasdaq as well. So that's why I'm just giving you two stocks which I think would be important for today. The first stock, the name of the company is Data Storage Corp. Ticker symbol is DTST. Pre-market price is 3.34. It is already up by about 45%. Before as volume is 7.6 million for this stock. The news came in for this stock today morning at 7 a.m. was that Data Storage Corporation reports 236% increase in revenue and achieves profitability for the first quarter of 2022. So this was a very important news for this company, and I believe because of that the before us volume is 7.6 million for this stock, and lots of people are trading and buying into this stock. So this is the first stock to watch for today. The second stock, name of the company is Spirit Airlines. Ticker symbol is SAVE. Pre-market price is 18.65. It is up by about 9.84%. Before us volume is 3.42 million for this stock. News for this stock was that Spirit Airlines stock jumps after JetBlue launches tender offer at near 77% premium. So this news came in today morning at 7:32 a.m. After this news came out, it started increasing. So this is the second stock to watch for today. These are the two stocks that I'll be watching for today, and I just wanted to share it with you. But remember, these are penny stocks, so just don't invest all of your savings into these stocks. Just wait for and also wait for 15 to 20% of gains, and get out of the stocks as soon as possible, because as you can see that all the market is turning red because of the interest rates that were increased by the Fed. And these are the two stocks to watch for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.